What's going on, Fort McMurray? It's your boy Jeff down here at Legacy Dodge, your #1 automotive sales professional, and I'm back with another Whiteboard Wednesday, walking you through all the numbers, the facts, and the figures in your next new or used car deal, so that way you can proceed with confidence. And today, I'm going to talk about leasing. For the most part, there's 3 ways to purchase a vehicle. You can straight up just pay cash, you can finance, which is borrowing the money from a bank, or you can lease, which is a short-term rental program from the bank or the dealership. Now, so many of my customers love getting a new vehicle every 2 years, every 3 years, or every 4 years. Well, guess what? Leasing is designed exactly for you, and I'm going to explain some of the best benefits about leasing a vehicle. So first and foremost, tax write-off. If you own a small business or you work somewhere where you can write off business expenses, generally lease payments, because they're considered a rental, something you would only have because of the business, 100% of your lease payment is actually write-offable. Number 2, smaller obligation. On a $100,000 vehicle, if you finance that, you're taking on $100,000 plus the interest. On a lease, we're only renting $20,000, $30,000, or $40,000 of that vehicle. So there's a much smaller obligation, less on your credit, and a lot easier to get approved. Number 3, little to no maintenance. In the first 3 years of your vehicle, those are the years where you should expect little to no maintenance, no money out of pocket to pay on top of just your vehicle payment. So with the lease payment, you set it and forget it, and you never have to worry about paying for anything out of the pocket. Number 4, risk-free. And this is probably one that nobody considers, but the most important that I'd like to talk about. If you lease a vehicle, your payment is based off a very precise calculation of what they think your vehicle is going to be worth when you return it. But let's say, for example, after 1 year driving your vehicle, you get into an accident, insurance fixes your vehicle, and you get back onto the road. Well, what happened to your vehicle? If you were financing the vehicle, you would now be faced with a vehicle that was worth significantly less than what you thought it was going to be worth. When you lease a vehicle, no matter what happened to your vehicle during the time that you leased it, that lease end value is guaranteed. So it doesn't matter if the market crashes, it doesn't matter if your vehicle depreciates significantly, or it doesn't matter if your vehicle's been in an accident. At the end of your lease term, you simply hand back the keys and you're ready to go for a brand new vehicle. Which brings me to my favorite and the most exciting reason on why you should lease, which means every 2 or 3 years, when you're done your lease, you simply drop off the keys, pick something else from our showroom, and drive off in a new, fresh, and sexy Jeep, Dodge, Ram, or Chrysler vehicle. So if you're interested in leasing, you want more information on leasing, or got any questions at all, let me help you out. Give me a call or shoot me a text, 416-523-6585, and let your legacy start right here, baby.